Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will discuss illustrating quadratic inequalities. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na para updated ka sa mga susunod na videos. O levels ng high school mathematics ang inia-upload dito. A quadratic inequality is an inequality that contains a polynomial of degree 2 and can be written in any of the following forms. Number 1, ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0. Number 2, ax squared plus bx plus c is less than 0. Number 3, ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than or equal to 0. And number 4, ax squared plus bx plus c is less than or equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a must not be equal to 0. Examples of quadratic inequality. Number 1, y squared plus 4y minus 12 is greater than 0. As an example of ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0, where a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals negative 12. Example number 2, 3x squared minus 14 is less than 0 as an example of ax squared plus bx plus c is less than 0, where a equals 3, b is equal to 0 because it has no linear term, and c equals negative 14. Example number 3, 3/4 m squared minus 2m plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0 as an example of ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0, where a equals 3/4, b equals negative 2, and c equals 4. Example 4, 8x squared plus 7x plus 11 is less than or equal to 0 as an example of ax squared plus bx plus c is less than or equal to 0, where a equals 8, b equals 7, and c equals 11. To create quadratic inequalities, use the following symbols. Number 1, greater than. Number 2, less than. Number 3, greater than or equal to or at most. And number 4, less than or equal to or at least. And for our activity, quadratic equation will be given and it will be converted into quadratic inequalities using the 4 inequality symbols. First is 3n squared plus 4n plus 15 equals 0. If you will notice, the sentence symbol is equal. To change into quadratic inequalities, equal will be changed to greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Next, convert 5s squared minus 2s equals 0. It will become 5s squared minus 2s is greater than 0. Another 5s squared minus 2s is less than 0. 5s squared minus 2s is greater than or equal to 0. And 5s squared minus 2s is less than or equal to 0. Quadratic inequalities are also applied in problem solving. Example, problem number 1. The length of the garden is 4 meters more than twice its width, and its area is greater than 42 square meter. Find the length and width of the garden. Let x be the width or w, and let 2x plus 4 equals the length or L. Since the formula for area is A equals LW, by substitution, 42 equals quantity 2x plus 4 times x. To remove parentheses, copy 42 equals, apply distributive property, x times 2x equals 2x squared, x times 4 equals 4x. To change the quadratic equation into standard form, 42 will be transposed to the right, so we have 0 equals 2x squared plus 4x minus 42. Therefore, the quadratic inequality will be 2x squared plus 4x minus 12 is greater than 0. Problem number 2. If 21 is added from thrice the square of a certain number, the result is at least 5 times the number. Let x be the number and 3 parentheses x squared plus 21 be the condition of the problem and 5x is the result. The inequality will be 3x squared plus 21 is at least 5x. To change into standard form, 5x will be transposed to the left. Therefore, the quadratic inequality will be 3x squared minus 5x plus 21 is less than or equal to 0. Muli, kung nagustuhan mo at nakatulong sa iyo ang video na ito, please like. At pakishare mo na rin para makatulong din tayo sa iba.